Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Toys channel. Okay, this time around I have the latest from Inspire Model. They released I think 10 of these variants. I have got hold in my hands 4 of them out of the 10. So I want to quickly share with you guys because I thought that these are actually really very nice. Because when I opened pre-order some time ago, very long time ago, it was all 3D rendering. Not much of a product prototype we have seen since then, and they have been giving teasers now and then. But right now, when it's out, it really yeah, it really is a sight to behold. Okay, so I have already got them out of the box. That's because most of my time right now I do a lot of Facebook live unboxing whenever we can. If there's any new arrival, right, we will do live unboxing over at Cube Collector's Cube. So do look us up there. That's QUBE. Okay, and then okay, let's get to it. So that's why you see them already out of the box. Okay, so 10 variants, if I recall correctly. So we have the blue black. They have the codes. They go by codes actually. So this would be code 8C. Okay, this 8C. I remember this 8B, the yellow. Okay, this 8B, and then you will see that the licensed by Rob3rtDesign. So Rob3rtDesign, he's actually a 3D renderer. Quite a few of his 3D rendering, right, is really very how to say really very real. When I went to his Instagram a couple of years back, right, when I saw those wide body beetles, right, the ones I think I have it here. Yeah, I have it here. So these ones I've seen them on his page, and then I thought, whoa, these are actually real cars, but they are not. They're They're actually 3D rendering, and Inspire Model and together with MCE has basically made all those 3D rendering into a real die-cast 1/64 scale. Okay, so this one is very nice as well. It has that open engine. So I have already covered most of these beetles. I don't think I've covered all of them. I'll see if I can find some time to actually do it. So there are even die-cast versions and resin versions. Resin, I think there were only 8 of them if I recall correctly as well. So this would be 8B, 8C, and then the 8H. I believe 8H is this full blue. Okay, this full blue is 8H. Yep, and then this would be the I. Yep, 8I. Okay, all right. So this is the one. It's slightly, the color shade is different from the one in the pre-order poster. So maybe you should go straight to it, right? In the poster, it did come with two wheels, 2 rims. So these rims, right, were actually packed in a Ziploc bag, kept at the back, so that it doesn't run all over the place and knock things over. Okay, so it comes with 2 rims. I've already got them out here. Different. They are. Is it different? Oh no, it's the same. It's the same. Yeah, it's the same. It is actually really very nice though. Now I look at it closely, right? Let me just zoom in and see if I can show you guys. You can see the shape of it. Look at that. It's not really just circular or a single shape. You see triangle. You do see a triangle shape, and then there's a Is a hexagon, or it's so small but it's symmetrical almost. I think it's symmetrical as well, so that's what makes it really very nice. Okay, so you get 2 rims. Okay, 2 set of wheels. Sorry, 2 wheels. Okay, and then the bus itself. Okay, a white, very white, very white bus, and man, this is really nuts, man. The amount of window on this thing as well. I don't really know the full details. How the only thing I know about these panel vans, right, is the number of windows that it has. The more windows, the higher price it is. I'm talking about a real thing, right? So there's 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 windows, and I believe these are supposed to be windows as well, but Inspire Model did not go that way. I guess probably if they do that, it's gonna cost even more. So these are die casts. It really feels very heavy in my hand. Look at how sharp the print is. Look at that. And the white is just really very nice. The white is really solid white. Not much, because I've already got this out a couple of days already, so I'm in the aircon room, so a little bit of dust here and there, I guess. But basically not much problem on their paint. Very nice, very nice. I do quite like the tinted headlamps. That is very nice as well. The side mirrors are done very nicely. Man, look at that. Okay, we go to the back, right? I like how futuristic the tail light is. It's a separate piece. Okay, so to make it even more realistic. Slight details to the engine back there. So this is actually different from the previous release. Now the previous release, right, I have one here as well. There you go. So it's basically a different casting. So this one has that crazy exhaust at the back. Very sporty. Really look like it's gonna go for a drag race. Okay, so it's different. It's a different casting. But same, both are metal base. Okay, not much details going on underneath. Riveted in front, single rivet, I guess. Oh man, but these are really solid. It's really very heavy. It's really very heavy, both. So the previous one can't really roll, right? But this new release so far, all of them. Oops, sorry, I just knocked into my camera. Hang on. So that was the white. We're gonna check out the blue. See, it rolls quite nicely. Okay, not too bad. It stucks a little bit, but I think it's totally fine. So this would be the blue, and only in the white right now I can see the white lining done very nicely. It's white or silver. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. Look at that lining. Look at the blue. Look how shiny it is. Look how it reflects lights. Okay. All right. Black rims. So all out of these four so far, only one that has the different colored wheels. Okay. Now this one, same. It uses that matte black effect on top there. Okay. There's the windows down there. Interior is in black. Yeah, because it's in black, so you can't really see much details in it. You can see the steering wheel. Okay. All right. Same set of rims, same set of wheels, rubber threaded wheels actually. I didn't show you earlier. So twin pipes at the back, twin mufflers, twin pipes on both sides. So 4 exhausts. Okay, and look at that. Okay, so there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, alright, so that's the blue, and then we have the blue and black. Oh, so this one comes with that roof box on top. Okay, it's fixed. Alright, it's fixed. The other one is empty. It doesn't have a roof box, but the railing, right, it's really very slim, so it does bend a little bit when you move it. Okay, so I'm totally fine with that. I don't need a hard version, because I like it being so thin like that, right? It makes it really very realistic. Okay, so that's the blue and the white, and then we'll go to the black and white. This would be one of the crowd favorite right now. The surfboard on top, the copper barrel on the rims, the matte black rims as well. Okay, that's the blue and black. Oh, I do quite like that lining that goes from the front all the way to the back. Look at that single line. Really very nice. Really very nice. The combination of blue and black, very shiny as well. Okay, so this comes with a surfboard. Again, it's sticked on, completely sticked on. You can't really remove it. That's the blue, and then we go to the yellow. This would be another crowd favorite. Oh, look at the amount of yellow on it. This thing is huge. Okay, this thing is huge. Very heavy. I like the side mirrors. It does feel like it's installed pretty solid. Okay, it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off anytime, but it's hard, so I don't advise you to keep playing around with it. The spoiler at the back, it's a separate piece, so do be a little bit careful with it as well. But so far I don't see much issue with it. It's a separate piece, so that's why they can do a separate color black like that. Very nice. Look at the back. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Yellow. Man. So tell me, which would be your favorite color? I think I do quite like the yellow. Even the plain colors, right, with that lining, it does make it very different. Okay, so yep, that's it for this time around. Remember to help me hit the like button, okay, because that will help me out in the YouTube algorithms. Look us up on Collector's Cube. That's where these I do have extras of these, so they are made available through Collector's Cube. I do hear they have a website coming soon. Okay, and yeah, so do look us up on Facebook for now. What else? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so that don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. All right, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.